First take an ellipse tool, hold down the shift and alt buttons and create a circle like this. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy the circle. Resize the circle in this manner. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F again. Resize the circle like this. Now take a line segment tool and draw the line like this. Take the rotate tool, hold on the alt button and click in the center of the circle to open the rotate option. Here change the angle to 120 degrees, click on copy. Take a pen tool, adjust these lines like this. Hold on the shift button and select these two objects. Go to window and choose Pathfinder. Click on intersect option. Take the rotate tool, hold on the alt button and click on center. Set a 120 degrees angle. Click on copy. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the object. Now apply the colors like this. Hold on the shift button and select these three objects. Press shift Ctrl left bracket to move selections to the back. Select the center circle and apply blue. Let's see the final result.